Oh, all right. So, see if you can see them, dropped these bolts to within roughly 3 full turns of coming out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually. And that gives me plenty of room to pull this harmonic balancer off. Now, in order to do the chain, in order to pull the harmonic balancer off, you have to loosen the harmonic balancer bolt. And it is a bitch, okay? It's the biggest fucking bitch in the world. You have to do something, anything to onto this hook right here. Some kind of metal, something, tie it tight. And then you just yank with all your effort. It is a, God, what do I have on here? I think an 18 fits, or maybe it's a 19, and so does a 3/4. But what I did was I did this chain. I tried doing it by hand a couple times, and it actually slipped off, and you can actually see how it's starting to lose a little bit, strip a little from that. So I stopped everything, and I used the motherfucking floor jack, and I got it in a position to where when I jacked it, it pushed up on the breaker bar, and in doing so, I actually had to lock the jack against the wall with a piece of wood or something like that, because the jack tried to move in such a way that it wouldn't keep lifting. And after enough finagling it, I have successfully broken the harmonic balancer bolt. And once again, biggest fucking bitch in the world. But once you get it, it comes right off. I'm gonna post this one separate just because people need to know. You know, it's not easy. And you're not gonna break it, you just think you are. Oh, what a bitch. Fuck you. Wait. Fuck you.